Well, if you are making new symbols in the gCADPlus environment, you might find it easier to set up a palette rather like the one I've done here and set a series of circles with differing amounts of transparency. This circle has 50% transparency, and this one down here, let me just unselect all, this one here will have close to full transparency but set at 200. So what this is useful to do is if we wanted to make a new symbol, a new block, something like this one, and we're not happy with that particular colour, we can go to modify and match properties and just say we want a paler green, and we just pick that entity to select the properties to and just come over here and you can see the subtle difference there. Let's just try that again, match properties, and we'll come over here to this one and let's imagine we want to make that one quite a lot brighter, so we can pick a circle within it and we're done. To turn those two new symbols into a block, of course it's easy to wrap a crossing window across, right click and create a block, and we'll just call this symbol. Sorry, I'm typing on the wrong keyboard. Let me just move to the correct keyboard and we'll call this symbol 01, and for a pick point click in the center and we'll OK. So that symbol is now a single block and can be used anywhere in our design work and is treated as a single entity. And if we do the same here, we can create a block of it. We'll call it symbol 02 and mark a pick point in here and we'll OK that. So we can then copy that one from here to there and so on. Now if we, for whatever reason, we decide that these are a little too dark, and remember this was called symbol 1, just right click, edit the block, click in here, and we've got a transparency of 200, so we could easily knock that down to say to 125 and right click and close the block editor. So now we have a fainter symbol. So each of these circles in this particular palette just have a different base colour. Here for the sake of moment is colour 86, but colour 86 has been changed inside each of these circles just by adjusting the transparency. So being able just to paste transparency from one circular symbol such as this to another symbol which you are developing as a proper plant symbol is really quite straightforward.